விட இப்போ இந்த 90% ஆஃப் சீன்ஸ் நாங்க போடுறது வந்து இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் சார். கபாலிக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் சார்.
We don't have any second thought about another movie. So 1 week, all shows is going to be Kabali.
Welcome to a special edition of Kapali. Our last edition, everybody had appreciated that, and we continue our Kapali tracking. And there are just few hours more for the film to open. The kind of pressure for tickets is unprecedented in the history of Tamil cinema. I have never seen tickets being sold out for 1 week in advance in almost all the screens in Chennai City and Chengalpet. And whenever I contact the theatre managers or somebody, they said that the tickets have gone. It's just disappeared. In 20 minutes flat, AVM Rajeshwari sold something like 7,000 tickets. AVM Rajeshwari sold in 20 minutes. That is something unbelievable. It's that the Rajinikanth craze is at an all-time high. And the reports that from Bangalore I'm getting, 5-star hotels in Bangalore, and one of them is a 7-star hotel, is going to have a special screening of Kabali on day 1. That is, the theatres, Bangalore, all the multiplexes are going to play Kabali. In spite of that, 5-star and 7-star hotels are going to have 4 shows of Kabali for select audiences, and they are going to pay something like 1,500 rupees just to watch Kabali. I would say first day in Tamil Nadu may touch 20 plus, which is humongous by any yardstick. No film has done that kind of business. And this craze for Kabali is almost twice of the craze of Endiran. And please note, in Chennai City and Chengalpet, there are more number of screens than there were 5 years back. At least 20% more number of screens, because newer multiplexes have opened. And all of them are showing Kabali. The big boost that Kabali got is that it's tax-free. The Tamil Nadu government has waived off the tax factor for Kabali. That means a ticket of 120 rupees ticket, the entire amount goes back to the trade in the form of net. And here with us is Mr. Rakesh Gauthaman, who has painted Kabali posters on his new BMW Beamer. Here is a car, it's a Beamer, and it's fully loaded, and it has also got the Kabali Insania, and also spotting it looking so nice, the Kabali thing. And we here with us the owner of the car, none other than Vetri Theatre owner, Mr. Rakesh Gauthaman. Welcome, Rakesh.
Yeah, hi.
Tell us why you did this.
First of all, more than being an exhibitor or a theatre owner, I'm a Rajini fan from birth. So I always wanted to do something to show that I am a Rajini fan to the people. So I was not able to do that till now. I thought this is the moment. I think this fever cannot get any better. Okay, this is the peak.
And how is Rajinikanth films performed in your theatre, the last two, Linga and Kochadiyan?
Kochadiyan did very well, because it was the first 3D film, and we also had the 3D promotions during that time. Kochadiyan did extraordinarily well. Linga was okay. Because of the reviews, it didn't do much. Yeah.
And Endiran, what is the collection record in your theatre?
Endiran is supposed to be the highest ever box office in Vetri Theatres till date.
Have you seen this kind of buzz for any Rajinikanth film?
No, because even during Endiran, there was a little doubt in their mind whether that role will be suitable for Rajinikanth, or will the sci-fi work for the Tamil cinema, but that is not there in this one.
And the trailer and the old man get-up of Rajinikanth has worked big time. That's
yeah, because he is natural. That is the Rajinikanth what people want. Okay, like very less makeup, natural beard, salt and pepper look. What more you want for the Don?
Yeah, so that would work beautifully.
Yes, yes.
That's what you're saying. And how is the advance booking? You've just opened the advance booking, and how is it?
Technically, it is a very sad note for my audience. Is like I'm sold out for the first day with my friends, family, VIP, social media friends itself. This has never happened in the history.
Oh,
Usually, I always open bookings at the counters and I always sell for the first day. But this time,
so
the
your
pressure.
friends and your social media circle have you're very strong on Twitter. I know that.
Yeah.
So all these people have asked you for the tickets.
And we there Dolby Atmos has taken our matinee show for the Dolby Atmos promotion. They want to promote it with the Vetri Theatre, and one software company has taken our evening show completely, the Vetri screen. So this is all like something new.
You are opening in both the screens the movie.
Yeah, we don't have any second thought about another movie. So 1 week, all shows it's going to be Kabali.
All shows it's going to be round the clock.
Round the clock, it's going to be Kabali.
Kabali only.
Yes.
Okay, and you can expect almost 100% collections in the first week. Would you say that?
Definitely till Tuesday night show, I think it's going to be packed. Maybe Wednesday, the small screen might not fill, but the big screen is going to be full. Yeah.
Okay. And I heard you have spent a bomb renovating your theatre.
Yes, yes.
Tell us about the renovation.
See, when you are inside the movie theatre, that's 3 hours or 2.5 hours, what are you going to spend? You should not be feeling uncomfortable about anything else other than being immersive inside the movie. So how do you get immersed? Sound, visuals, seating. So that is the main three things. So we have upgraded our seats to the best ones. Like the people who have already experienced have given very good reviews about it.
And
Then,
Atmos people have also, Dolby Atmos.
The
have also
Atmos is a
talked
pure
about
Atmos, and it is a 42 channel Atmos.
Wow, that's the best of them.
That's the best, and it's all like Klipsch and QSC speakers, all branded, and of course the latest upgrade is our 4K projector to Barco 23B, which we installed just a week back, and tomorrow, just before Kabali, I think the latest 4K screen Chloris from Harkness is coming, so that will be set for the first show.
So what you are saying is at Vetri, it will be the best show for Kapali because this Kapali is mixed in Dolby Atmos.
Yes, yes.
And the experience will be altogether different.
Yes, definitely yes.
Kabalida.
In Kerala, Kapali has created a new record even before release. In Kochi, the main town in Kerala, the film has already done 18 lakhs in advance booking. In a small town like Kochi is, nothing big compared to Chennai or Bangalore. And this is an all-time record. Normally, Malayalam films don't have this kind of advance booking. First day, they are playing 129 shows, which is also an all-time new record. In Hyderabad, the film has done extraordinary business before release. All areas in Andhra and Telangana have been sold out. And the rights for this film is the highest ever for a dubbing film. According to sources, it is around 31 to 32 crore rupees have been paid for the dubbing rights of Kabali in Telugu. And Nizam area, the highest collecting area in Telangana, the film has taken off a flying start with advance booking being humongous. No other dub film has got this kind of advance booking. Let's talk about the overseas business of Kabali. Overseas, the kind of hype that's building up in the overseas market is something, every day on the social media. People are just going berserk. I want to watch first day, first show. And in United States of America, the first time a film has been sold for $28, 28 US dollars. This is phenomenal. $28 for the first day, first show of this film. While for Endiran, it was only $15. But of course, the dollar rates have gone up, and there are other issues also connected to that. But no Indian film has been able to sell at $28 in many key centers in the US market. On the first day, first show, it's $28. That's huge. The kind of collections that the film will do in US is something that has to be seen, and definitely it is going to break the US record of $441,000 for the last Rajinikanth film Linga. It will definitely break the first day record of that. In Malaysia, where the film has been shot, Kapali Tamil version is releasing this Friday, July 22nd. And there is a Malay version also that is releasing on 29th, July 29th. And since the film has been shot there, there is so much expectation in Malaysia. And the first public show of Kapali will be in Malaysia with a premiere on Thursday evening. That would be India time around 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. The first official show of Kapali will start.
நான் வந்துட்டேன்னு சொல்லு, திரும்பி வந்துட்டேன்னு. 25 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னால எப்படி போனாரோ கபாலி, அப்படியே திரும்பி வந்துட்டான்னு சொல்லு. கபாலிடா.
Now, how would the weather be over the weekend? Yes, we are going to discuss the weather in Tamil Nadu. It's important because this is a huge film and weather is going to play an important role. On and off, today morning also it rained in Chennai. So let's speak to the famous Tamil Nadu weatherman, Pradeep John.
இந்த ஃப்ரைடே அன்னைக்கு பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மேகமூட்டமாக இருக்கலாம். இந்த ஈவினிங் போக போக நம்மளோட மழையோட வாய்ப்புகள் வந்து ஜாஸ்தியாகலாம். இது பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வட தமிழ்நாடு, வட கடலோர தமிழ்நாடு இந்த ஏரியாஸ்ல பார்த்தீங்கன்னா கொஞ்சம் மழையோட வாய்ப்புக்கு கொஞ்சம் ஜாஸ்தி இருக்கு.
Okay, and the weekend எப்படி அது it will be ruined or any storm or anything predicted in the weekend?
இல்லை, இது வந்து நம்ம மான்சூன் கிடையாது. ஸோ நம்ம மான்சூன் மாதிரி மார்னிங் ஆரம்பிச்சு டே ஃபுல்லா மழை பெய்யற மாதிரி அந்த மாதிரி மழை நமக்கு இருக்காது. ஸோ இது சவுத் வெஸ்ட் மான்சூன் இருக்கனால நமக்கு பாத்தீங்கன்னா 1 or 2 hours அந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ மழை மோஸ்ட்லி வில் பி கான்சென்ட்ரேட்டட். ராத்திரி தான் பாத்தீங்கன்னா ஜாஸ்தியா மழை இருக்கும். இப்போ நீங்க எல்லா வாட்டியும் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க, ஈவினிங்ல நைட் மிட் நைட்டுக்கு மேல இந்த மாதிரி தான் இருக்கும். ஸோ இதனால ஏதாவது அந்த படம் ரிலீஸ்க்கோ இதுக்கோ அந்த மாதிரி அஃபெக்ட் ஆக சான்ஸ் இல்லை. ஸோ மிட் நைட்ல ஈவினிங்
audience are going to view this film, so the weather is going to be pleasant during the next 3 days.
Yes, it is going to be 22nd, 23rd and 24th.
Yeah.
3 days will be very pleasant. It will not be very hot.
That is the best day. That is a weekend. 22nd, 23rd, 24th will be the best day.
As far as Chennai is concerned, rains will be mostly in the night and the evening. If it rains 1 or 2 spells, if it is heavy, maybe as you said, everybody going to theatre, there may be chance for traffic jams or something like that. So a little bit plan earlier and go in advance, 1 hour in advance, something like that.
So yeah, even the weatherman, Mr. Pradeep John, predicts excellent weather for Kapali during the weekend. So those people who go out for night shows have to be a little careful about the rain.
Yes,
otherwise,
yes,
it's pleasant weather for Mr. Rajinikanth.
Yes.
எங்க போறதா அட உனக்கு என்ன போஜா, தமிழனுக்காக வந்து நின்னவன் தமிழனா, வந்தவன போனவன வாழ வச்சவன், இனி வாழ்ந்து காட்ட போற வாய மூடிக்கவன்.
For Rajinikanth films, right from 90s, the most important area for a Rajinikanth film in Tamil Nadu has been North and South Arcot and Chengalpet. This is the highest collecting area for any film, any Tamil film is NSC. Now NSC has been split into North and South Arcot and Chengalpet. Chengalpet lies closer to Chennai city and it has become the biggest area in Tamil Nadu as far as money is concerned. It's the most lucrative area. So let's speak now to the North and South Arcot king, Mr. Srinivasan. He's popularly known as S Picture Seenu.
மேக்ஸிமம் ஸ்கிரீன்ஸ்ல போட்டோம் சார். அரௌண்ட் 80 to 90% ஆஃப் த தியேட்டர்ஸ்ல கபாலி மூவி ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது சார். மோஸ்ட்லி வந்து இப்போ கடைசியா சமீபத்துல தெரி வந்து ரிலீஸ் ஆயிருக்கு சார். தெரி வந்து ஆல்மோஸ்ட் ஒரு 75% ஆஃப் த ஸ்கிரீன்ஸ் போட்டிருக்கோம் சார். தெரிய விட இப்போ இந்த 90% ஆஃப் த ஸ்கிரீன்ஸ் நாங்க போடுறது வந்து இதுதான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் சார். கபாலிக்கு தான் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் சார்.
You are sure of a பெரிய opening?
ஓப்பனிங் வந்தாச்சு சார். பெரிய ஓப்பனிங் வந்தாச்சு. டிக்கெட்லாம் வித்தாச்சுங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே டிக்கெட்லாம் ஆல்மோஸ்ட் சோல்ட் அவுட் சார்.
Okay, first 3 days எவ்வளவு pressure?
ஹெவி ப்ரெஷர் சார். ஹெவி ப்ரெஷர். யூஸ்வலா சார் இந்த ஃபெஸ்டிவல் டேஸ்ல தான் சார் ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கும் ஜென்ரலா. ஒரு ஏப்ரல் 14th தீபாவளி, நியூ இயர், உங்கள் அந்த மாதிரி டைம்ல தான் சார் யூஸ்வலா அந்த ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கும். இது நார்மல் ரேட்ல ரிலீஸ் ஆகி இந்த ப்ரெஷர் வந்து அமேசிங் சார். இது வரைக்கும் நாங்க இந்த ப்ரெஷர் நான் சினிமா இண்டஸ்ட்ரிக்கு வந்து இந்த ப்ரெஷர் நான் பார்த்ததே கிடையாது சார். இந்த படம் வந்து கபாலி என்னைக்கு டீசர் ரிலீஸ் ஆச்சோ அன்னிலிருந்து இதுக்கு ஒரு ஃபயர் வந்து ஆயிடுச்சு சார் இந்த படத்துக்கு. இன்ஃபேக்ட் இன்னும் ஒரு பெரிய ட்ரெய்லர் கூட ரிலீஸ் ஆகல சார். டீசர் வச்சு அந்த டீசரை பார்த்தா இது வச்சே இந்த ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கு சார் அந்த படத்துக்கு.
ஓகே.
இதுல என்ன ஒரு ஆச்சரியமான விஷயம்னா சார், யூஎஸ்ல இருந்து மலேசியால இருந்து இங்க இருக்கிற கன்னியாகுமரி வரைக்கும் எல்லாமே ஈவன் ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கு சார் அந்த படத்துக்கு. அதுதான் பெரிய யூஎஸ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா 400 ஸ்கிரீன்ஸ் ரிலீஸ் ஆகுது சார். அதெல்லாம் வந்து நினைச்சு கூட பார்க்க முடியாத ஒரு விஷயம் சார். அங்க இருக்கிற அதே ப்ரெஷர் இங்க டிரான்ஸ்பர் இங்க இருக்கு சார். அதே அளவுக்கு இங்க ப்ரெஷர் இருக்கு.
கண்டிப்பா ஒரு 6 ஷோஸ் போடுமா ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ஃபர்ஸ்ட்
6 ஷோஸ் ட்ரை பண்றேன் சார். பட் 5 ஷோஸ் வந்து கன்ஃபார்மா பண்ணிட முடியும். ஒரு ஷோ வந்து உங்களுக்கு ரசிகர்களாகவும் மீதி 4 ஷோஸ் ரெகுலர் ஷோஸ் பண்ணலாம். பட் 6 ஷோஸ் ட்ரை பண்றேன் சார். முடிஞ்சா போட முடியும், இல்லைன்னா 5 ஷோஸ் கன்ஃபார்மா பண்ணிடலாம் சார்.
ஓகே. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டே ஒரு 1.5 to 2 crores வருமா?
கண்டிப்பா வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு சார். உறுதியா வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு சார்.
So it is going to be a giant opening. It never before in the history of Tamil cinema. அது மாதிரி.
Definitely sir. Without any doubt sir.
Okay guys, it's interesting talking to you on red carpet. I will be back soon, probably on Monday or Tuesday, with the weekend collections of Kapali.
நெருப்புடா நெருங்குடா பாப்போம் நெருங்குனா பொசுக்குற